Hey everyone, as we all know, we've got two types of vowels. So one is known as the short vowel and one is known as the long vowel. Okay, so what do we mean by short and long? So look at the words here. Okay, B, A, G. So before we used to say the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So if it was A, E, I, O, U, this would have been big, is it not? This would have been Pete. This would have been Bine. And this would have been coat. And this would have been Rug, is it not? So, but then it doesn't go by that sounds. So this is known as B, A, G, bag, A. Okay, this is per, et, pet, b, e, bin, k, ot, cot, and r, g, rug. So what we kept telling as vowel sounds is A, E, I, O, U is now classified as the long vowel. Okay, so the focus now is on the short vowel and the sound that the short vowel gives. So now look at this. This is known as mnemonics, an easy way to understand the sounds of our short vowels. Okay. So a, e, o, and a. So if we remember this, okay, we will be able to get the sounds of our short vowel right. So let's name this elephant Andy. Okay. So let's read this phrase. Andy elephant in orange underpants. Andy elephant in orange underpants. Andy elephant in orange underpants. Okay, so remember this phrase, it's very, very important. Andy elephant in orange underpants. Remember this cute little elephant called Andy. What color underpants is the elephant wearing? Orange. So get your sounds right. Andy elephant in orange underpants. That's the sound of our short vowels. You could learn it through this simple mnemonics. A, E, O,